Welcome to YouTube. All right, well, hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I just totally I was heading in this other direction to do a makeup tutorial, and then I'm just staring at this monitor, and I'm like blown away by what this little thing I just did. Well, two things I did, but really, this right here, I can totally see how everything is like lit from the bottom up. And I got this tip from watching Desi Perkins and her husband. They just uploaded this video. I'm telling you this, if you're on YouTube, you need to go and check them out. Yeah, go and check out that video at her channel. I don't care if you watch makeup or not. Go check. Let me turn around so y'all can see what I did. Please, I highly recommend, if you got a desk, do this.
All right, so this is how I pretty much set it up. I just rolled out the aluminum foil twice on top of my table, and I just using these other things to like weigh it down. But you can use the double-sided sticky tape, the one with the red film that you find at Home Depot. Those are easy to remove the adhesive. And then of course I'm using a diffuser that I have. I took it outside of the reflector jacket that it's usually sitting in, and I just used a clip here. You can find those at Home Depot as well on Amazon, along with and it's basically sitting in front of my softbox. And of course this is my monitor. It's just a regular TV that I use. I can go into this a little bit later on in another video. But here's the before, covering up the aluminum foil. And that's the after. It definitely has a whole improvement from the before. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.